Hello, hello, on this nice sunny Tuesday. Um, Session 7 already. Um, yeah, as you can see, I've changed some things this morning. I didn't feel like streaming yet, so I got rid of Bitcoin and replaced Bitcoin with Render because Render is doing very, very well. We also run Render in our challenge API. But right now, yeah, okay, we're also running Render on the core API because the volume is pretty decent as well. And we ended up with 43 hodl zone. So I think this is sufficient for now. I mean, I'm not really, I'm not happy with W right now. So either we spike, we sell with the algorithm, or I try to get rid of it around break even. As I'm, yeah, for me it's just taking too long now. And if I look at the current structure, I think it's just creating lower highs. And that's just something I'd like to stay away from. If we zoom out, I think it still looks decent. We swept these lows. And right now, yeah, we could probably retest like this 07 area, maybe. So that will be enough for us to get the fuck out and make a new plan. But for now, we're just stuck with W and Render for the time being. Alright, yeah. So session 7, I think we could say that in like 1 week of total sessions, yeah, we almost made 2k profit. I think that's good. So yeah, that's the potential of this current market environment, and that's how much we could get out. So yeah, that's the amount of profit we can extract. That would mean it's like 8k a month. With some compounding, probably we could eventually run to 10k a month. All depends on the market environment, the volatility, and yeah, my decision making. But the thing is, yeah, we don't want to risk too much into the beginning right now, because the first, the 1x, the 100% profit, it's the hardest basically. After that, you can just risk your initial profit. Like you made 100%, you could risk 50% basically. So that will make it easier in a psychological way to just crank up the risk and hopefully compound even more. But right now, I think the market is still a bit slow. It's not as bullish as I hoped it to be. I think Bitcoin is still it's looking good. I mean, we swept these lows. We, yeah, like bears really tried here, but we still managed to fee reversal back. Oh, we still managed to get up. So right now, I think we're looking at some kind of cup and handle pattern. If you're like into candlestick patterns, I think you could classify this as a cup and handle in the making. So yeah, I think we're gonna break out to the upside. That's my opinion. Just yeah, because it's post halving, I think yeah, probability wise, it's easier to say we're gonna go up. But it's hard. Yeah, it's hard to determine if we first visit 50 or if we're just gonna moon it from here. I still think this area is not safe. So like I mentioned yesterday in the session before, a lot of people went long here, and yeah, these 3 wicks, basically a lot of people got lucky, and yeah, I still expect these lows to be swept before the actual move towards maybe 85, 100k. So that's something to take in consideration while building Mars Attack setups, especially. For risk rewards, it's pretty okay. I'm not gonna change anything on my risk rewards low setups, but for my core and my challenge, I might want to keep this in the back of my mind. We could like Bart Simpson all the way down to this level, sweep it, and then have our trend continuation. So yeah. Yeah, so right now we're just gonna wait for W to get sold. I think we might get lucky around US session, which is in a few hours. But we have to break this level. We have to break this. If we break this, I'm pretty confident we're gonna see at least break even. But if we fail to break here, yeah, okay, we're probably going to deviate further, which will probably fill our bags even more. Because the algorithm will just try to get the fuck out. Render, I've set some trade windows. Oh, this might be the wrong chart. Yeah, this is the wrong chart, definitely. So yeah, I've set some trade windows on render. They're pretty wide apart from each other, like 30%. Yeah, but I'm really confident render will bounce. So it's a good project, solid, and I'm comfortable risking 2 weight on render using Mars Attack. It's not as volatile as you would like to see a good project, but it's decent for today, especially with the current drawdown situation. Yeah, let's take a look at the movers. Yeah, this pairing is also very weird. This true US dollar. It's fucking volatile, man. I don't know what it is. Let's check it out. Coin market cap. TrueFi, okay. What is it? Ah, so it's like pools. You could just like make money staking or something. I think so. Yeah, interest bearing pools. It's a lot of whale holdings. So the circulating supply is still decent though. It's almost at 80%, which is good. Because some projects, and I already told some people about this, but some shitcoins, they're at like 0.05% of the total circulating supply, which means one dev could just potentially unload a shitload of the coin on the market. Of course, that would decrease the price, but right now we're at like 1.2, and we could go to 1.45. So I think it's decent. Let's look at, yeah. I still think this is looking good as well. There's a lot of projects, a lot of people trade, and like whales are like 80% of the total holdings. This is nice as well. Yeah, overall I think this looks good. This looks good. I mean, the coin metrics look good. So what's the all-time high? 1. Okay, so 1. Oh, that's sick actually. Alright. Yeah, this could potentially be something we could trade. Not sure if it's volatile today. Also, the volume on Kraken tends to be a bit lower than Bybit. Yeah, like it's like 19k. For us to just get in this with a almost 9k wallet would mean we basically decide where the price goes, and we have to wait for new participants to actually make money. So it's not an ideal situation. On the smaller account like the challenge one, I would probably get in. So let's have a look if we still have weight. Yeah, we do have some weight. Okay. Let's go. So this is risk reward. So there's also a bigger trade zone. Let's do a little TA here. Once again, TA is like really, yeah, it's more like gambling on confluence areas than actually predicting where price will probably stall, reverse, or etc. It's more like, yeah, looking at the probability by confluence. That's my opinion. Look, if you look at this, we have the 1 hour 100 MA, we have the 05 Fibonacci retracement, and in this big box we have the golden pocket 0618. So this is confluence, and because of the yeah, how new this is, yeah, I think, yeah, it's safe to say we will get some reaction here, because we are not the only one looking at these confluences. Like, so yeah, I am going to put a trade window. Let's refresh. I think overall this is looking like a nice trending instrument, nicely above our daily open. So now we just have to sweep this and try to get to these highs. Yeah, let's put our low here. Look, we joined, so the market moved a little. I think so. Let's front run this resistance area. Yeah, I think this is good. So this is all it takes to just plot some TA. I mean, you're never sure. It's never like 100%. It's gonna do exactly what you want, but you can get the odds in your favor, and that's actually useful. Also, this part is also like, I think you could consider this as small support as well. Yeah, so that's true. No, true. Yeah. Where is it actually? Do we already have true in our watch list? No, we do not. Must be new then. Yeah, so this either moves because the volume will increase, or it flops and it stays like at 0 deviation all day because there are no other participants. We'll figure out soon enough. So we're also running WIF, right? Yeah, so. Alright, yeah, I think I'm gonna just chill a little. Pray for W to just get the fuck out of my portfolio. And yeah, let's see around US session. Let's double check. I Pretty sure there was no news this week. Yeah, no news. So yeah, I'm gonna just chill. It's nice and sunny out, so I'll probably get out as well. Alright guys, if something happens, I'll be back. Bye bye.